Good Sunday to you. I'm Storm Team 9 Meteorologist Patrick Ellis here with your ENC Weather update for this August the 4th, 2013. A mainly dry day across eastern North Carolina with Carolina blue skies moving into the area this afternoon. And we had a few showers and thunderstorms south of US 70 this afternoon along the boundary, the frontal boundary that pushed through. And now behind that, drier air. Let's get you through the forecast because it won't be sticking around for very long over the next couple of days. We're doing this update at 7:15 on Sunday, and here's a look at Live Viper 9. Only thing that we got on the radar this evening off of Cape Lookout this evening, that's it. Everything else is dry across eastern North Carolina, and that's going to be the story going into tonight as well. Look at the temperatures, though. 81 in Greenville, 81 in Washington, 82 in Kinston, 84 for Wilson. And look at the dew points. We got 59-degree dew points for Elizabeth City and Mania right now. 60s as you head down towards the Highway 64 corridor. Still 72 right now at Morehead City. The good thing is that as we go through this evening, the drier air will continue to filter into the area, and that's going to allow for those temperatures to drop fairly nicely this evening. Here's a look at the satellite and radar. Here's the frontal boundary moving its way down to the south at this point. The showers and thunderstorms associated with it now down towards Charleston. High pressure building into the north and the east, and that's going to drag down some cooler, drier Canadian type air into the area as we head into this evening. And looking at the actual forecast, looking inside the forecast at this point, the high pressure ridge will be just off to our north for Monday. It's going to drag down that cooler and drier air out of Canada. Cool for August in terms, we should be around 90 this time of the year, but we're only going to be topping out mainly into the mid-80s. Going through Monday afternoon with the dry air. Dew point temperatures will likely be in the mid-50s tomorrow. It is going to feel absolutely wonderful. If you got plans to maybe go out and have a run tomorrow morning, I'd suggest doing it. It's going to feel crisp in the morning. The heat and humidity is going to get shunted down to the south and west of us as we head through your Monday. Here's a look at the precision forecast model, and going through this evening, temperatures, like I said, down into the low and mid 60s. A few spots may touch the upper 50s in a few select spots later on this evening. We're going with mostly clear skies. Tomorrow afternoon, and you'll see that the winds will shift to the east. What that'll do, and what that has traditionally done for us, is set up an inversion layer in the atmosphere to where we'll get these clouds moving in through the afternoon hours. I don't think we go mostly cloudy at any point tomorrow, but there's going to be more clouds through the afternoon hours. You'll start off sunny, then the clouds build in through the afternoon hours. Overall, shouldn't be too bad of a day. Temperatures mainly mid-80s, like I said, and then also the fact that you'll have that drier, cooler air in place at the surface, that's going to make it feel nice out there through the afternoon hours. And it kind of gets a little thick through the afternoon hours for the cloud coverage there in the precision forecast model. Would not be surprised if that happens, though. Reasoning-wise, because that is traditionally what happens. We get an inversion layer near the surface with all the moisture that we got from the showers and thunderstorms that we saw yesterday. On top of that, the dry air, it just all kind of caps off the atmosphere, and you don't get any rain showers out of them. You just get the cloud cover, and it just kind of shields the sun. So something we'll watch for tomorrow, but at this point, I'm going to hold to my guns and go with a partly cloudy sky through the afternoon hours. You'll see here, start off mostly sunny through the morning time hours, 64 degrees, and the clouds build up through the afternoon. We top out near 85. And like I said, when the winds will turn from the north to the northeast and eventually to the east, that's when we're going to see the clouds building in through the afternoon hours. Here's the setup through this midweek. Scattered storms to our west, hot and dry elsewhere. The heat and humidity will turn. The high pressure ridge will build off towards the east going through the mid portion of the week. So the heat and humidity will return for us through midweek, and you'll see that in the 7-day forecast, that as we go through the afternoon hours of each and every day, the temperatures creep up, and then the rain chances also creep up as well. Here's a look at the tropical satellite, and I do want to show you this. A lot of dry air here. This is the Saharan dust layer being picked up from the water vapor satellite this evening, and very pronounced. Not very much going on. You've got several disturbances rolling off of Africa, but with that dry layer, it is just not going to have these storms are not going to have a good time trying to organize in anything. We're not expecting any organization here over the next couple of days, and as long as that keeps happening, don't expect very much in the way of organization. Now, that frontal boundary that pushed offshore, that could act as a focal mechanism for the potential for some tropical development, but with the high pressure, the Bermuda high offshore, and this dry air, just not going to be doing very much for us going in towards the next couple of days. Here's the 7-day forecast. Once again, we'll go with partly cloudy skies, no rain chance for tomorrow, and that's a risky move. I do realize that that's a risky move in the summertime. We'll go with 85 tomorrow afternoon. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 20% chance for rain. We'll go with temperatures mid to upper 80s. We'll peak out near 90 on Thursday. You see the overnight low temperatures, like I said, 64 tonight on average, and then go up a little bit on Monday night into Tuesday morning. Then Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, we creep up just a few degrees there. And then by Friday, that's when we're going to see our increasing rain chances as a strong low pressure system well off to the north starts to drag a cold front towards us. And by Saturday, that's when the cold front approaches the area. We'll go to about a 40% chance for showers and thunderstorms. And I would not be surprised if those rain chances do increase as we head towards the weekend. Looks very likely that we will see a decent shot for showers and thunderstorms, and the boundary sinks to the south by Sunday afternoon, and temperatures still into the mid and upper 80s. That'll do it for me here on the ENC Weather Update. You can stay up to date with us on Facebook as well as Twitter and on WNCT.com. Next update here by tomorrow afternoon. I'm in for Chief Meteorologist David Sawyer. You can tune in this evening at 10 o'clock and 11 o'clock on WNCT. Well, 10 o'clock on CW and 11 o'clock on WNCT. Have a great evening and a great day tomorrow and a great weather week.